If I was just starting to doing Amazon reseller business, this is the only tool that I will need. Let me show you. The name of this app / software called Keepa, and then here you can find deals, track some products if you want to track, and you can research and find items for sale as well. I click on deals, it will let me know all the deals are available in Amazon. You can use this app or this software as well to sell items to Amazon, to other platforms like eBay, and this is a really good tool, and that's the only one that I will recommend. So for example, we found this item that is selling for $448 at Amazon, and we found it in this website for $250. I add $5 more in case there is a excess, and this will be a profit of $95. You will know if this item is the right fit for you or for your business. You will go to the Keepa charts and you will find out if this item is profitable or if it is good for you. In this case, you can see a drop in here. It could be a IP complaint, or it could be that it wasn't inventory available in this website. This will be the data that we will read, and it will let us know if that item we can sell. So we will do a different video for explain you about how to read these Keepa charts.